Let me take you to the world casino capital, which is not in Vegas, rather than it is far, far away. In the country of China, the city is by the name of Macau. 65 kilometers west of Hong Kong is the special administrative region of China, which follow the China's policy of one country, two systems. The gaming revenues of Macau are 3 times that of the Vegas. For Indian people, going to Macau does not take any visa if they have to stay for less than 30 days. If they have to stay for more than 30 days, they can take visa on arrival. Plus, the currency of Macau is only 10 times that of the India. Macau is a tax haven and is an international financial center along with Hong Kong. And these two regions are the gateway to China. Personal income taxes up to rupees 15 lakhs are nil, and after 15 lakhs it is only 12%. There is no capital gain tax, there is no inheritance tax. The trade between India and Macau is nothing compared to the trade between India and Hong Kong, even though Macau is only a stone's throw away. Exports of India to Hong Kong is 83,000 crore rupees as of last year, while to Macau it is only 41 crore rupees. And the import from Hong Kong to India is 170,000 crore, while from Macau it is only 150 crore. As Macau and Hong Kong are the gateway to China, these figures can be considered the trade between China and India. Do you know, under the Portuguese rule, India had its own version of Macau and Hong Kong? Goa and Pondicherry were free ports with number of bars, brothels and luxury imported goods.